Hello pre-calculus students, this is Mr. McAllen and this is a recap of a completing a square method that we did in class. Hopefully this helps solidify your understanding of completing the square so that you could use it in class easier. Anyway, we're going to work on this problem where it is 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. We want to figure out when that's equal to 0 and find the roots. So as we did with completing the square, we made room. And we move the 15 to the right side. We put a specific space next to it, next to the two terms in front, so that we know we have to add something to this. The next thing we do is we divide out the leading coefficient. Now we need to find that perfect number to make this a perfect square trinomial. That would be negative 7 over 2 divided by 2, which in class we figured out that that will always be twice what the denominator is. So I'm going to just put that number in blue, and that's a number that's going to be squared. I'm going to add that to both sides. So I'm doing the same thing to both sides to keep equality. So now I'm going to rewrite this as a perfect square trinomial that's been factored. So that's nice and easy. It's just going to be x minus 7 over 4 squared. And that's going to equal what I have to simplify on the right side. The work on the left is done until I can get the right simplified. So I need to put 15 over, I need to find a fraction of 16 in the denominator. So that would be 15 over, to get to 16, I have to multiply the top by 8. So I'll add that to 49 over 16. So this is just adding fractions. When I do that, 15 times 8 is going to be 120 over 16 plus 49 over 16. Just doing the same thing on the left, keeping that the same. I add these fractions. I have 139. Oops, my bad. 169 over 16 on the right. And on the left, I have just x minus 7 over 4 squared. I'm going to now extract roots, which means take the square root of both sides on this case. And remember to put plus or minus, because that's going to give you the two roots. I'm going to add 7/4 to both sides. And as a result, I have my two roots. I'm going to have 20 over 4. And I'm going to have negative 6 over 4. And when I simplify these roots, my two answers are going to be 5 and negative 3/2. I hope this video has helped you remember how to complete the square, and that working with a leading coefficient really isn't that hard after all. I look forward to hearing your comments, and I'll see you soon.